Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the link below. That cat right there really wants you to. He told me to say it. Hi buddy. Do you want to visit everybody on YouTube? Come here, Star. Come here. Come here. He doesn't actually like me. He likes me. He likes my husband, but he's curious to know what I'm doing down here. So the number one Junkin buddy's upstairs doing her distance learning. And I'm in my basement, which was in the process of being finished when COVID-19 struck and everybody got on lockdown. So there's no finishing that at this point. There's little things we can do, so we're doing those. But bear with me, because this isn't the prettiest bag. I could put a sticker here. That's better. No. Okay. So I have a project today that I need to get done. So I watched one of my favorite YouTubers, and he was doing a project similar to this one. And it was a tray like this. So this used to have a glass plate on it. It was a serving tray. You could tell it was in my inventory. The glass broke. Stored in 20 below weather with weighty things on top of it. The glass did not survive the winter. And I need to put a new plate on it. I am going to put a wooden plate on it, so more of a country feel. But when I watched this YouTuber, he eyeballed the center of the circle because he didn't know how to find the center of a circle. So I'm going to show you guys a really simple way to find the center of a circle. This circle. If this is something you've been struggling with, the really nice thing is, this is something the OG. Now, for those of you who are new here, because I know I got a bunch of new subscribers, hi, I'm sorry you found me in quarantine and you had nothing better to watch, but I appreciate that you're here. The OG is my dad. OG stands for, as he likes to say, old guy. So if you want to know how to do something the easy way, ask the old guys. So the OG told me how to find the center of a circle, and I'm going to show you because it's dead simple. So if you go online and you Google how to find the center of a circle, what you're going to find is a bunch of things that look like math problems. I don't want to do a math problem. I don't want to have to get a protractor out. So I asked my dad, I'm like, I gotta find the center of this plate. I was gonna make a square around it. So I was gonna do a square around this perfectly and put an X through it. And my dad was like, why? Because he knows the easiest way to do everything. Here's what you're gonna need to do it. A scissors, paper bigger than your circle, and a pen. So that's all you need. Okay, so far the hardest part of this project has been literally mounting the camera so you guys could see it. But what we do is you lay your circle out on a piece of paper and we're gonna trace the circle. It's not rocket science yet. And then we're gonna cut it out. Then the next thing you do is you take your paper circle, line up the edges, crease your paper. I know you're all going, oh, I get it. I get it. I know, ask an OG. Fold it in half again. Make sure they're perfectly lined up on the edges. That point right there is the center of your circle. Right there. That's the center of my circle. I'm gonna take my template, lay it over my plate, match up the edges, and then poke a hole right there. And that's where I'm gonna drill my hole. That is the center of my circle. It's that easy. For any craft project where you need to find the center of a circle to drill a hole, it's the easiest thing in the world. When he told me that, I was like, so I'm gonna get this put through. I'm gonna drill a hole. There's gotta be a drill down here. There's so many tools down here. There's a drill somewhere. Oh yeah, that's my drill, baby. Nice, I love it. I love my new drill. The only bit I could find was this one, which I'm hoping is the right size. So I can't go upstairs because the kidlet's doing school and all the rest of my bits are up there, but I found this one and I think it's the right size. So I've taken this off and, ooh, it is just slightly smaller than this, which is good because this will then, the threads on this will bite into the wood of the plate and it won't be a wobbly connection. So that's perfect, actually. Thank you, gods of DIY, for making sure I have the right stuff down here. So I'm gonna get the hole drilled and we're gonna see how it works. Again, the hardest part is getting this camera rigged up. Okay, so I put a 2x4 down to protect my surface when I drill through it, and I've taped my template onto my plate. And then I'm going to do this. Where did I put it? Okay, so I found a screw and I'm just gonna use the sharp pointy part to mark that hole right there, and I'm just gonna press down. And that is the center of my circle. Now, I'm gonna drill it. All right, now we've gone all the way through. Kind of punched out a little on the back. I'm gonna have to do some, well, you won't see it because of the skin. Never mind. Never mind. And there I have the center of my circle. Let's get it all put back together. I guess it's not technically putting it back together since these two pieces were never meant to be together in the first place, but let's get them screwed in. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, for those of you who don't know. Okay, so I've got the thread started in there, and then I just have to screw it the rest of the way in, which is, gonna take a little muscle. And it's centered. It is in the center. It's that easy. So, like I said, always ask the OG. He knows. They know. The old guys know. If you're ever in a bind, go to the hardware store and ask an old guy. They'll know. And there it is in all its glory. It is centered on that plate. You can put your snacks on there and not be embarrassed that your pull is not in the center. So if you ever have to make a plate like that, you'll know what to do. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It's like gold to me. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, click the link below. You're not gonna wanna miss, I've still got more DIY videos. So I can't go Junkin. If you haven't seen, I have like hundreds of Junkin videos. I don't know, I got a lot of Junkin videos. So if you're missing garage sailing and you're missing finding wonderful vintage treasures, you can go back and look at my old videos, and I have other tutorials on how to do projects like this that you're like, how do I do that? So please check out my playlist, and if you're so inclined and you want to get your own Happy Junkin or Junkin Buddy t-shirts, they are available. So click the link below. It supports this channel and my family, and I'm so grateful to those of you who have already gotten your shirts. So thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Junkin. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.